What's up guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. So my friends, once again we are talking about the latest update of the Vechain. What's going on in the Vechain? What's the price changes occur and the Vechain. In this video I will share, my friends, but before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. And my friends, it's really a good news for all of you, my friends. Personally, I'm very happy about the Vechain, my friends, because you can see here, my friends, now if you look the last 1 hour, just look the last 1 hour price changes of the Vechain. So you can see here in the last hour the Vechain taken a huge pump, my friends. So personally I'm happy for this jump, my friends. And anyways, on the other hand, if we talk about the last 1 day, the last 24 hours changes, so you can see here, my friends, from the whole chart it's clear that Vechain start gradually pump, gradually, slowly the Vechain price start pumping, but in the last 2 hour, in the last 1 hour, the Vechain take a quick jump, my friends. So that's why I'm very happy. And furthermore, you can see a positive 2.4%, the price change is positive, and 0.0685 USD dollar is the current price of the Vechain. That is the highest price in the last 24 hours. Now the live price of the Vechain is here 0.0684 USD dollar. That is the current price, live price of the Vechain in the market, my friends. So my personal prediction, my personal technical analysis is going positive about the Vechain, and I believe that they take a huge pump, they give you good amount of profit, my friends. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.